Good morning, students. Welcome again in today's social science class. Dear students, today we will do back exercises of the second chapter, that is family similarities. First of all, we will do part ABC, which I have sent you in last class. So part A is tick the correct option. And first question is, the twins who look same are, the answer is identical twins. You have to tick on A, identical twins. जो ट्विंस एक जैसे दिखाई देते हैं उन्हें हम आइडेंटिकल ट्विंस कहते हैं, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन आवर लास्ट क्लास. Second question is, family members can have similarity in both eating habits and voice. ईटिंग हैबिट्स और वॉइस दोनों में फैमिली मेम्बर्स की सिमिलैरिटी हो सकती है. सो यू हैव टू टिक ऑन सी, बोथ. नेक्स्ट इज, सुनीता विलियम्स इज अ फेमस एस्ट्रोनॉट. सुनीता विलियम इज अ famous astronaut. So you have to tick on B, astronaut. And the fourth question is, a famous personality who has followed the footsteps of his parents. And the answer is Rohan Gavaskar. Rohan Gavaskar has followed the footsteps of his father, Sunil Gavaskar. Now come to the part B. Fill in the blanks. So first fill-up is, members of a family often resemble each other. Answer is resemble. Second is, many twins look different but some twins look exactly alike. ज़्यादातर बच्चे ट्विंस जो होते हैं वो एक दूसरे से अलग ही दिखाई देते हैं, डिफरेंट, अलग. बट सम ट्विंस, लेकिन कुछ ट्विंस ऐसे होते हैं जो एकदम एक दूसरे के साथ मैच करते हैं, एक जैसे दिखाई देते हैं. सो आंसर इज डिफरेंट. एंड द थर्ड इज, द एक्शन ऑफ वन फैमिली मेम्बर अफेक्ट्स द अदर मेम्बर्स. आंसर इज एक्शन. फोर्थ इज, मैनी चिल्ड्रन रिजेंबल देयर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, अंकल्स, aunts or cousins. Answer is grandparents. Fifth is, in some families the food habits of the members may be similar. एक जैसे हो सकती हैं. कुछ फैमिलीज़ में खाने पीने की आदतें मेंबर्स की एक जैसी हो सकती हैं, मिलती जुलती हो सकती हैं. Now part C. Write true or false for the statements given below. First statement is, identical twins look different. This statement is false. So you have to write here false. Because identical twins look alike. एक जैसे दिखाई देते हैं. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है identical twins अलग अलग, एक दूसरे से अलग दिखाई देते हैं. But it's wrong. So you have to write here false. False means galat. Second is, all family members have similar voice. Similar voice. पूरे family members की आवाज़ जो होती है एक जैसी होती है. But again it is false. Number 3. If parents are tall, their child is bound to be tall. Again it's false. You have to write false. Last is, the likes and dislikes of family members are never similar. Never similar. कभी भी नहीं मिलती. Again it's false. Sometimes similar. Answer, likes and dislikes of family members are sometimes similar. कभी कभी मिलती भी होती हैं. But यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है never similar. So the answer is false. You have to write false. So dear students, these were the part ABC. Now we will do part D. Part D is answer these questions. So part A, B, C you will fill in the book, and part D, answer the following questions you have to write in your social science fair notebook. Okay, so our first question is, list 3 ways in which the family members can resemble one another. 3 ways, you have to write 3 ways in which family members can resemble one another. एक दूसरे से जिन जिन चीज़ों में फैमिली मेम्बर्स एक दूसरे के साथ मिलते हैं, मिलते जुलते हैं, you have to write there. Okay, so the answer is 3 ways are: number 1, similar voice; number 2, similar food habits; number 3, similar features. आवाज़ में समानता हो सकती है, फूड हैबिट्स में समानता हो सकती है, एंड फेशियल फीचर्स या एनी फीचर. ओके, सो आवर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, इन व्हाट वेज आर you similar to your family members? So I will give the answer. My facial features and food habits are similar to my father. I have written here my father. You can write any member of your family. You can write my mother, my brother, my sister. Okay, so our third question is, what confusion can be created if the twins are identical? अगर twins एक जैसे identical twins होंगे, then what confusion can be created? So the answer is, the confusion can be created if the twins are identical to find who is who. Okay, now come to the fourth question. Do you want to follow the occupation of your parents? Why? क्या आप अपने पेरेंट्स का ऑक्यूपेशन, प्रोफेशन जो है उसको फॉलो करना चाहते हो? आप भी वैसे ही बनना चाहते हो? क्यों? I have given 2 answers here. Students, those students who want to follow the occupation and those students who don't want to follow the occupation. First, the students who don't follow the occupation of their parents, they will write, no, I do not want to follow the occupation of my parents because I want to be a doctor. I have written here a doctor. You can write anything, a teacher, an engineer, which you want to be. Okay, so next question is, yes, I want to follow the occupation of my parents because I like it. So you can choose anyone. You have to write one of them. Okay, and the last question is, how do family members share their joys together? Explain with an example. फैमिली मेम्बर्स अपनी खुशियाँ और कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करते हैं, इसे आप एक एग्जाम्पल देके एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. सो आई हैव गिवन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सुनीता विलियम्स. ओके, so answer is, family members share their joys together as when Sunita Williams ended her space journey safely, then her relatives at Gujarat celebrated her success. जब सुनीता विलियम्स ने अपनी स्पेस जर्नी सेफली ख़त्म कर ली, पूरी कर ली, कंप्लीट कर ली, then her relatives at Gujarat celebrated her success. Okay students, don't be panic. These are 5 questions. You will write it in your notebook, fair notebook, as you want to write it. one question in one day or one or two question in one day. Okay, till next class you will complete it. Thank you. God bless all of you.